First question to you. What brings you to the conference? What are you looking for?
What brings me here? I think we all know that Sibos is a massive event across the world, and it brings the best of the banking community. That's where ClearBank needs to be, and that's why we are proud to be here. We believe that innovation grows from the interaction and the community and the collaboration between people. So being able to be here, having discussions, not all has to be commercial, but being able to catch up with people in the industry, understand what they're doing, how they're looking at the future, and seeing how we can work together. And what we want is to unlock our customers' potential. So that's why we're here for.
That's definitely true. And a little bit exposure to our listeners. In my personal opinion, ClearBank is a secret sauce for all the innovations that we see in United Kingdom, because before that, it was really hard to achieve the accounts and provide the banking infrastructure as a fintechs. And usually it was a little bit competition between banks and the fintechs. And ClearBank is something which is sitting in between, having the banking license, being one of the clear in-house. It provides the really solid technology for the fintechs and drives the innovation in the country. And as we see, extended to the European Union.
I'm very pleased that you said that, because that's exactly where we want to be. We want to be able to provide the trust and the confidence to our customers so they can really focus on what they do best.
Yeah.
Without having to bother about the technology and the compliance for us, because that's where we thrive. That's what we do best.
That's exactly what I meant. Thank you that we're sharing the same opinion. And in this case, the question is, like, what do you think the industry, maybe European Union or United Kingdom or more globally, nailed this year? Like, what is the industry is doing right?
The level of innovation in the payments area is fantastic. We are seeing a lot of opportunities across the board, and people coming with different ideas and particularly collaborating. I think separately also in Europe specifically, the regulator has taken an interesting step in providing clarity, especially on things like operational resilience with DORA or on digital assets with MiCA. And with other things within Europe also, like SEPA Instant and the regulation behind SEPA Instant, those are actually quite innovative regulations. It's a balance between protecting the markets and providing the stability, but also bringing the possibility of innovating and forcing the fintechs and the banks to think differently.
Yeah. They're definitely providing the base ground and building blocks. And having the regulations build the trust. And as all we know, the trust is the key in the fintechs, because you cannot miss the trust. You are giving the access to the money, you are doing the financial transaction, which is essential as a trust. And thank you for sharing that. And the question from my side is about the next year. Like, what challenges do you think the industry will face?
There were a couple of topics here at Sibos that are innovative, but they also can pose a challenge. So there's a lot of conversations about AI, about digital assets and crypto, and the mix of those. There's lots of opportunities in both things. So digital assets, crypto, fantastic opportunities ahead of us. But how do we build that in a way that's robust, it's secure for our customers? How do we leverage digital assets to enable real-time payments globally, supporting communities all over the world, but in a way that is secure for them, that we are not exposing them for bigger or higher risk. So that is a challenge. On the other side, AI. It's hard to tell what's real and what's not. There was a robot just a moment ago walking around and high-fiving people. AI is with us. It's not going to go away. But how do we harness it in a way that can be used for good? We know that cyber attacks are going to become more frequent. So how do we, as a bank, not only ourselves, but the industry, protects against those cyber attacks? Scams are going to continue to grow. How do we protect those that are in more vulnerable positions? So I think with everything, with bigger innovation and bigger opportunities, it also we need to have the right guardrails to do the right thing and protect the people that need it the most.
It's really insightful answer. And I really like this analogy of the wide spectrum. It brings wider accountability, because we're doing more, we're providing more experience for the customer. And right now we don't have a lot of playbooks, proven playbooks, how the digital assets work in, et cetera, et cetera. So it's a great time to be in, because we're innovating, we're coming up with new ideas and new implementation.